try this again. Okay. What I was saying is you can see the water going from the conservation area to Waccamaw Wildlife Refuge, as it always does, where it's nothing but wetlands and will fill because it's soaked with water, and it'll just overflow. And there's that whirlpool again, can you see? Because the drain is clogged. Now, I talked to Lou when he was out here the other day. I believe he's the head of the HOA here. And he said that the line for the property goes down the middle of this overflow ditch. So this drain that's clogged actually belongs to the HOA. So he said something about him having to go down there and clean out the clog. But that man does so much around here by himself. He needs some help, I think. He's a nice guy. But he did, I got bit by fire ants because he went and he removed all the mulch. And when he removed all the mulch, it stirred up fire ants. And he put the brick down, which is good. But